This is the ultimate weight tracker. It's taken me 30 years to create. I've been wanting this for so long. Maybe you forget the spreadsheet, but this spreadsheet won't forget you. Seriously, I'm going to show you everything that I put into this. It's not going to look like much, but it does a ton. Welcome to the ultimate weight tracker template. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but under the hood, there's so much, and it makes it so easy. If you just enter a number here, 121 A1 on daily, it will log it. And the first time you do this, it will set a goal, which is 5% weight loss. That is simple, right? You just copy it to your drive, use it just like that. Okay, great. But this sheet won't stop reminding you if you set it up. Okay, you get this weigh me here, and you're going to start to weigh me. I'm going to try to tell you all the stuff that's going to happen while it's going, but it's going to finish for it's setting the sheet public, setting up a daily task for you, send weekly reports, daily emails. If you don't weigh yourself by a certain time, it adds email labels because what you can do now, you can see it right here. Other people, your friends, your family can email you at your email address plus the word weight. They just have to add that little phrase. They can invite you to events. They can say, hey, come cook with me, come walk with me. Hey, I'm going to go over to this sports arena and we're going to do these sports for an hour. And what's going to happen is they email you and it's added automatically to your calendar and they will be added as a guest. And it also tweets. If I haven't weighed myself today, it says weigh in today, and it says reply to this email with today's weight. You can do that. Yes, you can click on the link and you can go to the sheet and enter, or you can just reply and say, I'm at 221. Send. Done. Every minute it's looking. So it won't do it immediately, but it will do it. That was automatic. That was from the email that I sent. I just replied. Now let's send myself an email from another account and say Andrew plus weight at bettersheets.co. Walk with me tomorrow, 8 a.m. By the way, on my Google Tasks, it created a weigh-in check. This shows up on your calendar. Look, that's today. This is weigh-in. It's going to haunt me on my calendar in my Google Tasks. And then other people are going to be able to add events here. We have gone through the week. This is what it looks like. It has all of the days. Every day we have a little up or down triangle, or if you stayed the same, it'll be a little meh. And we'll get an email, okay? It's going to show a nice graph for you in the last 7 days. Isn't that cool? Isn't that amazing? It's going to email everyone who's on the list. By the way, the list, this was automatically added. Walk with me. That's an event I have to go to. Let's check my calendar. Yes, 8 a.m. walk with me. That was automatically created by someone emailing me at my email address plus weight. This is cool. Like, this is the best motivation to lose weight. This is all set up for me to help myself and get friends and family and loved ones involved with this. I'm so excited about this. Go check it out. Link in the description below. Lifetime members get this for free, or you can just pay a really small fee to get this and get the tracker that will follow up relentlessly. You can't fail to lose weight. It's Gmail, it's Google Tasks, it's Google Calendar, it's your friends, it's your family. People are going to help you and be on your team. It has automatic goal setting, so you don't even have to say, I want to get to this goal. No, it's just 5% lower weight. That's all. It's for people who want to start tracking their weight, but keep forgetting for a day, then a week, then a month. You wish there was someone who could help you keep accountable. If you've lost motivation before halfway through and changed your goals, this is for you, and it's a simple system. It really follows up. I am so excited that you could get this. Go grab it right now. I'm looking forward to how people use this. I want you to lose weight, that is. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have two options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.